no. I gotta sell all my good stuff to buy truck parts. Great. Not too bad. What's really going on?
Okay.
Oh, my tire, my good one. Yeah. Well, he's gonna get stuck in the yard. Oh my goodness. Oh, for crying out loud. Oh, not even enough to get the tractor out. I'll just get the skid steer and jab my forks into your radiator and shove you back 8 feet. Hey, let's see what happens. Oh yeah, fires right up, boys. How much for the steel ones? Not steel, but chrome clad.
Chrome is
$15?
yeah, you know, it's very big difference.
Oh my god!
Chrome is very cheap.
Oh my god!
Still, I think that money.
One more? You want me to pull her out?
I'll let me try.
Well, yeah, but if you spin the tires,
No, if
it's going to be. Just ease into it.
Yeah.
Just, you know, kind of ease into it. Slow
Yeah,
pumps.
slow, yeah.
You know what I mean? Not too much.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you had her. Go. Go. No. Oh, yeah. You were going. Back up a little bit. Slow. Very slow. Very slow. Very slow. Okay, forward. Ah.
Why, if you put some gravel, or no?
I'll just hook it on with a chain and pull you out. Here, hook that on something. Just loop it through halfway so that I can get the hook back. I'll scrap guy shitter cam.
And this way?
Oh, I don't care where you hook it onto. Something solid, preferably. I need the hook back though. You got to loop it through and give it back to me. Just put it over the sway bar. I'm not going to pull you hard. I just, you know. Yeah, I need the hook back. You need to loop it around and give me the hook back. Slip it around the sway bar. What's should be a big fat bar under there. Just wrap it around there.
I don't know which one. This one is good or no?
Oh dear. Here, hold on.
Yeah, this one. It's gonna be no, this is not.
Yeah. I'm not gonna pull hard. Just loop it around there and pass me the hook. Wrap it around there, pass me the hook. Holy, he listens just about as good as I do. Oh, oh no. Oh no. I haven't. Sneaking up on you.
Okay.
You saw that, didn't you? You were driving by, oh, look at this guy, I'm gonna stop in there.
That's my first time.
Yeah, well, how did you come here?
I came this way, then I go back that way. Then another guy came, I asked him, where's the entrance? Because I didn't see your entrance. He said, go there and push the bell.
Who said that? The store?
No, this guy came here. He's just walking. I said him, I'm searching his entrance. I don't know where's the entrance. He said, go there and push the bell. Then I came there. No, we are business guy.
Oh, I apologize.
Yeah, no, we're business guy. We're a big company. I have 2 years scrapyard.
Oh, Lord, you're only giving me 20 bucks.
Yeah, that's why I pay good money.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, if another guy comes, they don't get, because $15, $16 is the rate. That's why we are scrapyard. That's why we pay good money. Yeah, I have one in London. It's north of London. It's in Thorndale, and I have one in Toronto.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, we are a scrap guy. We are a business guy.
So you saw my scrap and you're like, I'm going to go to see this guy.
Yeah, every time when we see some metal, then we will go there. Yeah, we are searching all Ontario.
Oh, I apologize.
Yeah, we are going.
So how much money do you make off me last 2 days?
For this one, we can we make money, some not, but we make money on this. Our main job is converter. This converter, yesterday you see what we will dump it there. And this one I bought from Windsor. First I go Windsor, then I come to you.
How much you give me these converters?
Shitty truck.
Shitty truck?
Shitty truck.
Yeah, shitty truck.
No, Chevy.
Oh, shitty. I apologize.
So it will come from Chevy, also from GMC.
Yeah.
But it is not best one.
Fits like a glove now. Do you ever get pulled over by the MTO for overweight?
No, it's not. It's not much.
Not much weight?
No.
Oh, I apologize.
Don't be. That's why I'm asking rotor, because sometimes we put rotor, then we're gonna load the rim.
Yeah.
rim, it takes lots of place, but weight is not much.
Right on, man.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay.
See you again.
Yes, sir. Have a good day. Have a good day. Oh, he scored, eh? But it's not every day he friggin' randomly stops at a dude's place and then next thing you know he's $8,000 worth of rims. What happened? Probably just made a fortune off me.